everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. And today's road review is the northern part of Six Forks Road. Six Forks Road runs from the south all the way down, not quite downtown Raleigh, but the North Hills area of Raleigh, where it becomes East Six Forks Road, and closer to downtown, but not quite. This northern part of Six Forks Road is really nice. Lots of shade, lots of views. Crosses the lake a couple of times, and a bunch of curves. The lake is really full. We've had some really good rain the past couple of weeks, as recently as last night. I haven't seen the lake this full in a couple of years, actually. Unfortunately, we have somebody in front of us to slow us down, but that's the way it goes. Really killing my ride here. Come on, guy. Six Forks Road turns into New Light Road when we get north of Highway 98, and it goes up into Granville County. I'm going to make a slight detour here, and I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you like these little road reviews and any other content I put out, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, catch you next time.